Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a all day long picnic makeup tutorial or even some vacation tutorial. So अगर आपको जानना है कि कैसे आपको अपने मेकअप को all day long रखना है तो please watch the video. First I'm using Plum green tea toner just to cleaning my face further. And after that I will be using my sunscreen which is Neutrogena Ultra Dry Touch Block Sunscreen. Because picnic है तो बहुत सारे outdoor games भी होंगे तो sunscreen तो must है. And now I am using Pack Micro Finish setting spray to just prime my face and also hydrate. For primer today I am using NY Bay primer just to मैटिफाइंग माई टी जोन एरिया. इसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हूँ कि मैं फाउंडेशन यूज़ करूँ या फिर बीबी क्रीम. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आज दोनों को मिक्स करके यूज़ कर ले. So first I'm just randomly applying it with my finger and then I will be blend it out with my beauty blender. I know I'm looking like a ghost, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna blend out really well. And now blend, blend and blend. All the product links will be in the description box so you can check there and also check the shades and all that. And now I'm setting my face with Pack Studio Finish Compact and it's in the shade 08 which is a little bit darker than my skin tone. So I'm setting my face very well, as you guys can see, taking a little bit time for that. For blush today I'm using Deborah Milano blush and it's in the shade Spicy which is a very pretty peach corally type of color. Just perfect for picnic and vacations. And now I'm filling my eyebrows with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Today I will not be contouring my face because it will look too odd and too heavy. And now I am applying a winged eyeliner with NY Bay liquid liner. And आज मैं आई मेकअप में और कुछ भी नहीं करने वाली हूँ, just a wing liner. Now for mascara I'm using Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara, but आपको यूज़ करना है कोई waterproof mascara because it's a picnic. Coating my lashes very well because this is the only eye makeup I have done today. And now I'm taking the same blush, the Deborah Milano blush, and applying into my lower lash line just for a flush of color. For lipstick today I'm using Personi liquid lipstick. I have told you guys 100 of times before that this lipstick is so long lasting. It can resist oily food as well. And I'm using such a bold red because I have done a very minimal makeup and this lipstick gonna highlight my makeup today. And it also gives some holiday vibes. There is something missing in my face I thought, so just a little bit of highlighter. I'm using Wet n Wild Makeup Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. And I'm just dusting the highlighter, not applying too much. Now I'm rocking. can't stop myself. And now to set my whole face, I'm using PAC Micro Finish Setting Spray and to melt the highlighter as well. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys will like this picnic makeup look. But wait, don't go. I'm going to show you some beauty hacks related to this picnic makeup tutorial. After some time, your makeup gonna look like this because it's a picnic and so many outdoor games will be playing, but don't worry, we can fix it out very well. So first I'm taking a tissue paper. You can take a tissue or a cotton pad, whatever you have, and just press the tissue onto your face and soak up all the sweat you have. And then I'm gonna take the same compact powder that I've been used earlier and going to set my face again. मिनिमल मेकअप करने का ये एक बड़ा फ़ायदा है. And now how to fix your lipstick. Just take the same lipstick that you have applied earlier and fix it. And that's why I chose this liquid lipstick because it is too easy to reapply it and it's looking like just freshly applied. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will meet you into my next video. Love you.